Good morning, Bruce with an aerial viewpoint, and this I'm calling Downtown Fishing Guide. When you hear about the fishing in Fremont and you hear between the bridges, this is Route 6 or Hayes Avenue as it crosses over the river, and one of your parking lots are right there. This will allow you on the west side of the river to fish from the banks. So you see we have a few white bass fishermen right now. The river is way up since we had a lot of rain the last week, so I don't know if they're doing much today. We'll check the east side of the river. And like we call this between the bridges, and it means State Street Bridge, which I'm pointed at right now, which is the main drag in Fremont, and the Miles Newton Bridge, which is that Route 6 or Hayes Avenue that we just went by. Just a few fishing over here on this side. On the east side, they used to park in the old Kroger's on the east side, and that building is vacant right now, I believe, so I don't see any blocks to keep you from parking there. They did have that blocked off for a while. Also, there's a few parking spots on the east side here, and like I said, this is Hayes Avenue or Route 6. You can see a few cars parked right down there. I think there's room for about 10 cars to park. I think that's back access to some county property. There's a fisherman coming back right there. So that's between the bridges, and we're going to keep going south here. Next fishing spot for Fremont is between the parks. And I'm coming up on Walsh Park for the east side. And it's a pretty park here in town. They have frisbee golfing. They've got I don't know, a 9-hole course or more. Parking for this park is right here. There's a pavilion. You've got a kids park. And that lets you fish the east side between the parks. Give you a little bit of a pan of the area you can fish. And you could walk all the way up to Rivercliff Park is where I'm pointing at now. Now back to the west side, you have Roger Young Park. And there is parking all through Roger Young. And then you can climb the hillside here and fish on the west side. And today we've just got one fisherman down here. This is not a good time to fish. River is, I believe it's up 4 feet from normal. This area right in here normally has rocks showing that you could almost walk across the river, and I sure wouldn't try it today. You've got a good 4 feet of water that's rolling fast. So once again, this is Route 6 or Hayes Avenue, and this is for fishing between the bridges. And then past State Street Bridge, which we're facing right now, you'd need a boat in there. That's pretty well deep water. And I'm back to where I took off. So we're going to give you just a little pan since it's such a pretty day today. This is my little hometown, Fremont, Ohio. Population around 17,000, I believe. The area churches, this is a lot of the downtown. This is the west side we're going through. Now we're pointing out to Baldville Township. And then back to the east side of town. And it is Sunday, Mother's Day. So not a whole lot going on. And we're back where we started. So thanks for watching, and we'll have some more soon.